Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest breakthroughs and innovations in the world of technology. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the future of tech, uncovering mind-blowing advancements that will shape our world. Let's dive in. First, let's explore the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. AI has revolutionized various industries, from self-driving cars to personalized virtual assistants. Recent breakthroughs in deep learning and neural networks have enabled AI systems to achieve unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. We're witnessing the birth of truly intelligent machines that can learn, adapt, and make decisions autonomously. Next, we venture into the Internet of Things, IoT, where devices interconnect and share data. This transformation is closer than you think, set to revolutionize our homes, cities, and industries. Interconnected smart homes offer convenience, efficiency, and security. Smart cities optimize resource usage, traffic management, and public safety. Industries benefit from automation, productivity, and predictive maintenance. No discussion about the future of tech is complete without mentioning 5G. This fifth generation of wireless technology promises lightning-fast speeds, minimal latency, and the ability to connect countless devices simultaneously. 5G unlocks possibilities like real-time communication between autonomous vehicles, immersive augmented and virtual reality experiences, and remote robotic surgeries. Researchers are already working on 6G, which will take connectivity and communication to unimaginable heights. Get ready for the quantum revolution. Quantum computing leverages quantum mechanics to process information on an unprecedented scale. Quantum bits, or qubits, exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to superposition. This enables quantum computers to perform complex calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. Quantum computing holds tremendous potential for solving complex problems in cryptography, drug discovery, and climate modeling. The future of tech goes beyond machines and connectivity, it involves unlocking the secrets of life itself. Biotechnology and genetic engineering are advancing rapidly, allowing us to manipulate and engineer living organisms. CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, enables precise DNA editing, offering opportunities to cure genetic diseases, enhance crop yields, and revive extinct species. As we unravel the mysteries of the human genome, the possibilities for improving healthcare and understanding life are limitless. That was a glimpse into the future of tech and the incredible breakthroughs and innovations that await us. Which technology excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.